guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. Ine. Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. Ine, va veo. Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. Ine va veo. Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. My people, and they come make I close my window. Now yesterday, night now see Boris, so I can say I won't sleep and they go. Oh my God, no. Before they come. Ine. I'm with passing coffee and Boris. I'm ready for this country. Now make me sleep like this. Hey, yeah. Ine. Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. With this folk, waiting the water, you stay well now. Ine lavadeo. Monica, muy básico, fiaje, Boris. She want to bobo. She want to chill with the big guys. Now she dey make keteke. She dey make kakaka. She don't fit drink water drum cup. Jesus Christ. My people, I greet you now. Una hear Isha when I speak. Ineme bavadio edewe. Monica muy básico fiaje Boris. Ine bavadio. Monica muy motofia or pushy truck. Hey. Ikayoge nya isoni ewu Wetin. Hey. Okmaudina o yedo. Wabumere o. Monica. Muy bicycle fia Boris oki hen. Vavayo. Semi widow. Semi widow. Now I can be named again. Semi widow. That be say remain small. Kukuma don't already be widow. Semi widow. It already be widow be that now. Vavadeo Monica muy básico fia Boris oki hen. You for can use better tea content and no gay wanka. No be this one. Jesus. This one. May I put water for my radiator. Ine vavadeo. Monica muy básico fia Boris oki hen o. Muy sister Vera fia. Básico oki hen. Oki muy básico fia o hen Boris. Inene. Ayoge nya do me. Udimi akire mi yembe na bio mi owi bae. Are you guys feeling? Are you guys feeling? Oh, ine. Oh. Imonika mui basi kofia. Boris oki he o. Boris. Ah. Oh. Eri onokwo na lu. Owa mi eberi si Holland dire. Pot your ne si Holland dire pot. Now so Monica do. You don't see better document commode for Holland. Now pot, now commode. Pot, now pack for luggage. Pot. Vava do. Monica mui basikofia. Oh barasi. Monica mui basikofia. Oh barasi. Wade, Monica mui basikofia, Boresi Monica kifi. Wagade, tanka bele mui basikofia. Taka bele mui basi kofia. Boki hen on hen boresi. Boki hen on hen boresi. I. Ah, away as a friend talk. Oh, I told me. But my man no young. Man no young. I told me more. Why can't you carry big one? Na enya otopapa wekije. Wagade, praise the Lord. We are in the church this morning. Come and do offering for me, oh, now do offering, oh. Come and see, oh, come and see. Monica throw away Boris today. Monica throw away bicycle, the right Boris. No Boris that year. Now when children take they play, we fair use and play. If they can't push on for you, you go to make go. Now you can't know whether you go control one. Now you can't know whether you know go control one. Now you see some boys saying their leg, their hand, they want here build low forest, ya build low. Come I see, oh, come I see, oh, come I see. Monica throw away bicycle. Na. Wetin she can't dey ride, though she dey ride Boris. Wadore. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boris Monica ki he. Now ki was say, fake life. When you are faking it, oh, fake life. When she faking it, oh, dirty fake life. Dirty fake life when Monica they do. Dirty fake life when Monica they do. Una no see all the lui fake life. Oh, me da Monica vai. I didn't know fake life. Don't they do fake life like this? I say come. I say fake life. They know they spend rich 5 minutes for fake life. Now they do 5 minutes reach fake life. If you do 5 minutes, if you just want to finish, koi. Even he said that they say where you carry another one. No, she will come stay. The fake life will come expire. The fake life will come expire. Waiting people not see before they will come. They see at that time that they carry this thing, the alphabet. When they put for the plate number, they will change. And if you can't change, they will say, "Welcome to Barista." They'll say, this one I love like you can't they change. I know say there is no alphabet when you go change. You go come be like saying now my name. Neither they call lovely. Wadore. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boresi Monica qui hen. Vadore. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boresi Monica qui fi. Wadore. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boresi Monica qui fi. I. Monica Boresi waki hen. Oh ya oh. Where alwevin no se aluche gbe. Where alwevin call aluche gbe. Gbe aluche gbe. Ihe no do mu wote san reni o eki toni wa upside down. Bada ari aluche gbe bada ro shin. Why is this woman? I know that I thought say she go dey fall, they get she go dey say she dey get her, she go dey fall, she go dey tona kije o so me ba ye go ni me swai. I don't know do to asoto we are aswai. Oki jabe ge nya we just see we stay gbe wa se du ki nya go ke o to we ki jai. Monica, we bicycle fia o Boris I did rewind down. I don't my voice don't crack. I don't know how to shout. Monica, don't throw away bicycle. It dey ride Boris. Monica, don't throw away moto. It dey ride Boris. Monica don't throw away moto. If they drive with barrow. Monica don't throw away moto. If they drive with barrow. Iki never na no na fake be. Girl lovely, you are jealous of her. Now because you don't get look at me alone. When you look me, you know say now me be on go jai one of Leatherland. Oni waki da chewesa. Ono ni go jai one of Leatherland. Waki chan omi okay Mama Titi one of Amsterdam. Oh. Na modarenti monto. Na moredari hola da modarenti monto. Na moredari hola da modarenti monto. I want rent. I want sit down, lovely. I said, me, I tell you, what do you want? Lovely, come. I don't want to know that guy. Guys, say they rather they go woto. They give me woto. They go. You go say, lovely, you not go finish where I did. You not go feel well. Where you dey? You not bath. Yeah, if you go carry this steady, me ma ekeni ekede in Nigeria. Me ma mi kwa wan kuni re steady. Wetin is that book? One cool for here. Wetin make I bring one cool. Now so my mama tell they laugh. Only me a episode. Okay, I say something wey round no dey here o. Ebe round diri we na. Me resi me ala chisi no round here deni. We are now. We are not radical. The way we take the whole car. Me wale so famous, non hysteria. If you say the fear, me hysteria don't come out for the car. Ni moi mieux. I want me re total non se. Ni sa me radiator. Nisa bore do with there. That's what she said. The whole steady. If the whole steady like people wear this thing. Where they call them? Be I me nani. Boje ya o. That's what the whole steady. Area we ya mosteri o enya obo o kokobore winya enyo ya mosteri o na so te de hosteri say, this steering, just kukuma remove one for the car. Then you just say, waka they go with the steering. Leopard no go fit hide his spot. Or after go, oh, leopard dinner about, or you know they hide his spot. You can never hide your disgrace. Leopard not go fit hide his spot. Whether about hide the disgrace, you know say. Oh, we are boo ojale. O superior legenya ojan. You ever say si look they smell with the color, with the cloth when they wear. Ow, she's too oh, your butter get as it be this morning. Ew. Monica mui bicycle fia. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boresti Monica ki hen o. Monica mui bicycle fia. Boresti Monica ki hen o. Bon puta fa solo. Merci ka for selection. Monica, me a do what I get. My cat bish in the streets. I can't figure out what else we did. Wake your jewel down, figure for you, quasi with Narea. Oh, the joke is so sorry now. Microphone for Sally Joe to speak. Hello, Chas. Hello, Chas. Oh, I'm sorry, Facebook. Monica have thrown away bicycle. Monica's not ready, but rest. I have no place to wear. When a bruise lifts Monica, Monica for die again and again. Me disturb me. Oh, Monica, moi bicycle fia. Essa salidje sa meki. Monica, moi bicycle fia. E boresti Monica kifi. Moi just for prayer, no fit sing for Celidion. Celidion ya Africa ya. Map say, and here abia living no shy is in the name of the Father, the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Sato Maria. Mama no shale. Mama ekpenya badu were mo ekpeni Jesu Christi no. Himima. Amen. Oh, in I had the Holy Communion. Oh. Monica, my bicycle fia. I am on this. Go to take Holy Communion, make her the sick. Small, like Catholic church. Monica, my bicycle fia. E boresti, Monica ki henshan. Satu Monica, my boresti fia. Akizebwe, akidabwe kwa kun. Akizebwe nya, okigbomu forest boresifia. Ehan yokida reaction. Oh, ori abelu well na. Di hene bo mugbe. Iye na ri anusi o enogo abi oni ne roboshi nogo abi ona be roboshi o eki nogo. Oh. Huh? I want us to learn. Havre, Maria, Jesu Christi, ole mede no gbelana. Havre, Maria. Ayo genya akinero wonye, nuwe. Akinero wonye nuwe. Kali church o mehi. Me Kali church. Me odigi no gbeni. Me amena mui. This what I mean. Oh, Monica. Jésus Christi, ole mede no belona, Ave Maria. Ọmọ tan wekina do bie fio edo, ọmọ tan ole wekin. Oh, Luwona. Luwona. She go borrow cloth. She's buried. She dey borrow. Abebola dey be dey pour solo. She's borrow cloth. She dey borrow post. She go borrow pine, gang. She go borrow brazier, gang. She go borrow cloth, gang. She go borrow bar. She dey borrow post. There is nothing that she cannot borrow. She borrow everything. She dey borrow pine, she dey borrow brazier. She dey borrow sack when the fellow woman use remain. She's a borrow type. She's a borrow. Oh, Akisha tache, lovely. Come on, better pass you. Ebuwe mo wegbe, elowe wakaso to wegbe aba. Oja piripiri. Amale body me share lo nya. I will lovely na. No fitter. I lovely na. Okay, I me walking na. Kwa ki exchange only me working inya working that boli na wa me be muto. It be like dead body when they abandon, when they don't see who they bury. Oh no, ki mama ba we gbe wo. Abrosi abrosi me ate wa brosa me fia ka shi we lore. Ine ka ba me. Abrosi wa jiwe taba. Wadore se ni Monica Luna broso. Wadore se ni Monica Luna bros. If they test anything, when Monica carry come, Abros go to salt catch one. You no get the one when you dey chop. You go get the one when Abros they chop, when they satisfy Abros. If Lolo want come talk, Lolo, you buy this room catch. You buy my room catch. I better not go buy a catch. If you go buy a catch, I'm going to sleep for outside. Adam with Range Rover. I remember that in Facebook and then I go near the detail Range Rover. I said these people don't get money to buy Range Rover. 300 and then they don't get money to buy Range Rover. Come on the tire. Ambrose no fit buy Range Rover tire. Do you know how much Range Rover tire is cost? Good morning, happy Saturday to you all. Maybe it did not be padana. Did I don't know who go come on the story. That cannot change the story of Range Rover. It has about changing the story. Range Rover, that this thing when they take the direct, that map. If it's spoil, they no go fee change. You know, say there is some things when you go buy. This thing where they inside, this spare where they inside, this spare things where they inside. Even there pass the car alone. Range Rover engine now, if you knock, if you want to replace it, it go be like saying now the half of money when you take buy the full car. Now you want to tell these people, I don't know who that they talk to. I thought so to make your now wow. Anna John. I don't be musician, we don't get new music. 10 to 10 grand. Monica, mwe bicycle fia, Boris talking hand, Monica, we bicycle fia, oh. A Boris talking Monica, we bicycle fia. A Boris talking hand, Monica, we bicycle fia, oh. A Boris talking hand. Una no Boris that year now. We fair play Boris that year. If our brother they don't repair us, una no Boris now. They can't put that tie, that this thing. Where the Boris now, no say nice. I can I Boris they that year. They can't bring wood. Get where they carve the wood. They can't put them for the Boris. Then they'll call the Roland. They'll call the push you. If you can't enter, you go the big boo. Now you call the contract. Get what that they put. No say now during Christmas time. Now they write that Boris dry season. If you enter that time, your brothers go say hold on well. If you know hold on well, wakido do sumo working. If you know hold on well, if you got a day your street, you go laugh yourself for say got a good. My bicycle fia Boris talking he. Monica, my bicycle fia. Boris talking he. Monica, my bicycle fia. Oh, Boris talking he. Oh, Aluwana. You say you know what to do again. They say you know what to do again. They say when they do video call and one call. You say no, make call and not call in. I will call ni agbo one more limited illiterate callers. They are very delinquent. That platform when you are looking for reads delinquent illiterate, go to Monica platform. That place they don't be illiterate. They go school. When it's too much, you don't take it anymore. You say no. This is not the place you're supposed to be. You say I'm making a totally. Everybody that is calling you, when I will live video for a colleague me, it's on just call you. I've seen a lot. It's on don't call you. They want to talk to you. Hey, good afternoon, ma. About this, how you there? Mama, Mina. Who's this? How are you? Mama. Wow. Say the way where your voice stay just sweet. I say, yeah. Why you don't speak this English for Facebook? I say, I say, what do you want? I can't calm my brain down. So yeah, what do you want? How you doing? How's your kids? How's everyone in your home? Are you okay? You say, yes, Mama, they okay. Our life now. I don't quench and be that. Me, I be person when be say, if you don't they run, they come big. I go poof, stop. Those people when he still goes school for a platform, when they finish secondary school, for a platform, when they did there, you know, secondary school is the best education. Yeah. After primary school is the first education. There's secondary school, it is second education. Then university is the third education. When you don't acquire anything in primary school, there is no way you go to secondary school. When you don't go to secondary school, there is no way you will go to university. Now inside university nowadays, if they do like this, as a friend they talk, a friend will say, you don't go smell. Now like these people, they don't smell secondary school. Talk and say university, they're all primary school dropouts. You know? Then the way they behave, the way they call, the way they lie, when you see their lie is naked lie, you know, their lie. When they are, even sometimes, Monica say, they lie. Monica say, no, say, she's so stupid and naive. When some caller, they are talking sometimes, Monica can't do like this. It's like, oh my God, really? She don't carry this platform just and take to delinquent platform. Hey, Monica, I know Lovely. When I see Lovely for Amsterdam, Lovely because they waka they go. Cloth when Lovely wear, Nika when Lovely wear. The Nika can't tear for nyash. Armpit, the armpit cloth can't tear. If you see her, you can't they pick something they go for street. She can't they pick cloth they go for city. I say they talk and let Monica they do like this. Monica, good morning, my people, because the lie can't be say, it no even make sense. It is like I say, hey, Monica, don't worry if I see Lovely fast and I go stab Lovely. Lovely. I say, are you kidding? You lovely bastard, don't start be me. Now my you don't know me. You gotta fucking know me, man. Well, I don't know. Well, I mean, I start when I see lovely now because I call Facebook like this. They crazy, they man, they bug cigar. Monica, mwe basi kofia. Boris Oki he, Monica, mwe basi kofia o. Boris Oki, I'm gonna share this video. Share this video. Let it go and meet the Vala. Baby Vala. Baby Vala, you are. Oh, baby Vala. Maybe we can't do send off of baby Vala. Hey, baby Vala, oh, he war. The baby Vala is dead or he left. You don't do your show finish. If na die, we know they do better. If na you don't do show finish, you don't do show finish, now you go. Oh, baby fella, I'm sorry. I have no for love to play. Mama, don't put this laugh on my mouth. I want to say my laugh no good. I can't go carry my own Jonah. The rest la video presenter make una come make una come Monica better persona Monica get things persona where lady Vela where you come there? We are looking for you. We have been looking for you. We didn't know where you are. We want to come and use you to play. Hey, Lady Vela, don't go. Iyo, Lady Vela, don't go. Inyo egongon. How yo? Jebwe. You go say, Mama. Monica, you go say, Mama. Ablofia. You go say, Mama. You go say, Mama, we can't go. I'm going to go attack. And the children can't she I cannot do like this. That's all. No. Now, Monica children, I don't say that they behave like Nigeria children. Good morning. Now, only Monica children, I don't say that they behave like, if they come they say they'll just look their papa. If your mama don't, they and they say, they don't know me. I bought this. They donate for me now. Because don't do it like this. Now, some Monica children, they take the look and they'll do it. If now one person can't call, one caller can't call. Now the caller can't say, what's here? Ivi Monica, uwe kui Range Rover. Tiri bang. What's here ni ena gie? Era ave di moto. Ibie ka yi di seri yaku. And now they not do one video one day. Now can't say. I never see J-boy use that steady tape play. You know, boys children. When their parents get car. Now go carry the papa key. Before papa will say they do, don't carry papa key. When papa will they find key, he go say, Daddy, the key is here. You go quick, now you go open the car. You go to the top of steering. You go they do it like this before the papa will come. You will tell papa, oh yeah, you, mommy, you, daddy, go back. I want to ride you guys this afternoon. You know? Then children never touch the steering. What did they borrow? You know if you give smoke me take plane now. And they tell them, then they say, lovely, you too the jealousy, lovely to the jealousy, lovely to the jealousy. Say, eh, at the jealousy. We not see a J-boy or tops. Even men when they buy a bangly car, their boys, children, they use until they play. Then they use until they play. You get the one when they here, don't feel talking. After my house, another house, after my house, one house, before you. If papa one day I did where I did whether not back outside that day I been in front I don't know. He say whether I see pikin now say I won't go wetin happen what a go on. He say pikin don't carry his car, his key. Now can say your pikin that one don't go now just go as let the back on they laugh. You see? May leave at the which key they show. Which key? Key waiting key order full second one. Now second one that they go now. Key order full second one. Second where did they sell car? Key order they there. Where did they my people? You go buy car for car shop. Then you can go buy key for where they sell for supermarket, where they sell car. If you reach there, key of car that they sell on too. I be more go where that they sell car for ye. More go where. If I say make I come they do show me, say make I do fake life. I for to do fake life. My fake life, and you no go catch me for fake life. That place, get one place where they say cannot be that one when I go that day. Oh, get another one for near of my house for here. Not reach 3 minutes. If you reach the car when it dead there, they plug some, they don't they try some down. If I say I will talk say I want now to just reach there, put my passport for grant. When or if you both see passport, they don't say you know they go anywhere. Or you boy for you boy you want to do something else. Or say your document. Now your document now even if say now flight. Now I want to do fake life. Once I reach there, they'll say your passport, please. I'll just open my bag, just give them the passport. I'll just carry the car go because they don't say and they come back. They don't say without passport I cannot leave this country. I cannot leave. No, I not fit go anywhere. That is we both for you. I made the ask of document. I after they say I won't try. They'll say okay. They'll carry somebody follow me. I just carry the passport, put her for there. Even if say they carry person follow me, they must still carry my passport, put her for there. Then if I don't, I'll just dress. If I know how to push car. I know how to push car. I don't the steering. I don't the driver. I feel just said the man say, I bet help me. I don't carry my children go there. Maybe they don't go put my nyash. Because my children don't like anything fake. If I just, hey, mommy, please, I don't need that. I'll tell the man, say, please, can you take me picture? Can you record me? No, why, I record you. Because when I don't date there, you both know say, I want you to do fake life. Or you both know fake life well. I don't use to do fake life finish. I'll tell you both say, may come down, may take me video around. Or you both will help me video around. If I put her for Facebook, not to put her for Facebook. When are there with me for the area, they tell me, say, lovely, see your car. No. And to put her for Facebook. But they say, lovely, don't buy cow, lovely, don't buy cow. I tell these people that this woman, she dey rent this car, illiteracy, delinquent, lovely, you can talk like, just tell us, say you dey jealousy. Who I want jealousy? Agbete. Or tell Agbete one of UK. Now I want jealousy. We are Agbete one of UK. Now I want jealousy. Ave ni an ho hoa. Ave ni an this woman, she can never make it again. Eke agbisa nama. Okay, yo. Onika tell Ambrose, make it translate for you. Eke agbisa nama yo. Let me translate it for the people that don't understand my language. Did you know what is Eke? Eke is a market. A market seller. There is on people that sell shea butter. Shea butter comes from the Yoruba. When we were growing up, we know that it's Yoruba people that sell shea butter. The day the market push them, they will line their shea butter on top of train, and they will add water to it so that it will not get melt fast. You see? They will add water on it. They will be hawking it. Wadorieyo, buy shebora. They're going to hawk with train with water inside. Then we the Asian people use it as a parable that when a market purge the Yoruba people, they will start hawking shea butter inside the market. Wanna clap for me? I try. I be not trying. No, they are used for congratulations. They are used if you miss, they'll say congratulations. If our bros want to something now, if I mistake hit his head for cupboard, You know, say sometimes they go open cup, but now me go come, they say, hey, they will go hit their head, though. They will go hit their head, though. Hey. Abros, come say, don't hit here, hit. He can't take close. If you don't carry head like you don't make good. If follow, I will say congratulations. Abros, when they say if they plant ehwe, if they plant carrot, if they plant this thing. But I ask whether by this time they take they plant. Why be saying na so do go back. Na so do go. Who they plant for September? Now they take they harvest Wetin they plant for Europe. You get where farm of corn day. That place now when you don't reach September now. Corn, you know see best for this area I go. You know say that side best go food that side that they go eat corn. And me myself I'll go follow them chop for the corn. September. Why is it September when be say the harvesting season, the harvesting month, it don't reach. Now you can't go they plant this thing. Why it not they don't get work? Council house can't be. Now me buy I buy cash. Council house when carry the council house come. I got to say, wait, whether you are not bringing folk come, oh, come still listen to it cry. My people, I will live on right now. I want to go wash my bedroom, you know. I am receiving gift today. Now me buy the gift by myself, oh, not be anybody buyer. I bought gift for myself, you know. Monica, I don't know now the color. Now the color of this car, you tell us say this car, it don't taste. Somebody right put just I be like say 2005. 2005. This one na ML Benz. Is this Benz? You forgot go carry ML now. Forgot carry the big Jeep of ML, the old one. If you ride that one, your fans go see the cry. Hey, man, I can't see the big Jeep where you carry come. You forgot carry ML. The big Jeep of ML. You forgot carry them. Your ex-friends say that people when they camp, now they wash her. Now the people when they camp, and they are very intelligent. Okay, maybe for Italy, now they talk. Italy, now they talk from France. People when they France, now they talk. But all the people when they Holland too. Not be people when they camp for Holland. Lie. If you come to camp in Holland, it's like you know they inside camp. It's like you dey inside house. Everything is there. You know? They cannot. You want only the immigration of Holland. When you don't go immigration office like two times, you don't educate be that. Holland will educate you. Holland? Not let Holland educate you. Sometimes people they say, this country is the best. This country is the best. Come Holland. If you go school for Holland, you go still they go school. Just say, if you come Holland, come seek a salon for Holland. If you not change, if you not arrange your head well, you can never make it in your life. If you dey craze, come Holland. The immigration will put you in a place where they go calm you down. You see? This woman, she dey laugh. And then they say, person they ban. And then they ban. Then they give her document. If they ban, then they give her document. What of you? You don't spend 2 decades and a half. That is 20-something years. 2 decades and a half. Now you don't spend for Europe. There is nothing like documents. Nothing like documents. No document. Are you serious? It that better pass you. The life where you they live now, Now the life when that they live. Now you they live. Do you guys know that the life that she's living right now? Now that life be this. You know, when it that come, if it that come, you see perfume when they air fresher. They're not gonna know say na air fresher. So go just bath finish or just spray. You know. It happen a lot. People gonna say, now have air fresher. Now you say me I know. They sing now. You all do like this. Idare life when idare they live. Now you they live now. If you that buy one thing, you go run go main road. You go use and take picture. You go post am. You go up when you just take picture of it, you just post am, send am. If snow fall, they will just run enter inside snow. Just say, I beg take me picture. I beg take me. Even if say you they come, they don't know you before. They'll say, sister, I beg sister, come. You say you can't laugh because why? You don't fair do that thing before. You can't lie. You say, waiting we fair do that. You say, sister, come, I beg. Help me take me picture. You can't take her. I beg help me do and well. You can't help and do and well. As you just do, I will say, sister, I just come. I will say we know now. You go say, I should see this picture, so I want to go Niger. You don't see her. Now in that life, now she they live after 20-something years in Europe. Now Monica they live in that life. Now that they live life like this. You cannot expect me to can't live life like this. You not go fit. You don't go fit expect me to say, lovely, can't live life like this. You know if you expect. Never. Look at, just look at, as America, look, just look at. If they carry key, they come. Motor when they ride, different. Key when carry come, different. Did you see that? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. You can buy a key. It doesn't mean that you have car. Now you go fit buy key. That they sell everything. That they sell key. That they sell key holder. That they see a fake key holder when children take they play. You always see all those motor when children they ride. Those toy motor. All those Range Rover, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, see da. That they sell for children. That they get key, they'll carry key for one. Key there everywhere. Now key she can't they show. She not fit show car again. She they show key. Where the car? She don't see car. She they show key car. So when we basi kofia, Boris still working here. Monica, we basi kofia, Boris still kifi. Monica, we basi kofia, oh, Boris still here. I pity the people. So the time where they say she want open house, you get one woman from Nigeria, one mature woman like that. They come, they say the woman say she buy house. I say seriously, the woman marry her. You know, say this woman, if she lie, people will believe her lie. Now one person got to say, you get one mama when they act movie, you say they use and say he buy car. Now you talk a car. He buy house. Because the woman they pray, say, pray make it live for the house where if not, just come on. If that council house now say they pay, because council house you must they pay, not be free. Maybe as that has been, now that house now fit be 500 euros, say they want rent out. They fit tell her make it they pay like 250. I talk on that day, I see they repeat her again. Depends of how much that house go be. I talk on today, I see they talk on. Make sure say you with Ambrose they pay that house rent too. If not, in 3 years time, she will come sit down and say she buy house. She go come down and say, I bought a house, I just bought a house, I bought a... Huh? Somebody that spent years for abroad, this country, that they put this chain your teeth, all your teeth won't scatter. All your teeth won't scatter, They will cover them. My daughter, first daughter, she get open teeth. With my second daughter, she get open teeth. They say they don't like them. The chain and the open teeth don't close. It pay me. The open teeth, they don't close them. Oh, as this is be so, this my foot teeth. It be like a road so. If I want cover them, they go fit cover them. If I do like this, they'll say, lovely, where your open teeth? They will fit cover them. My two daughters, they don't close their own. They don't close their teeth. They don't close their open teeth. Now this country, this woman for commode, they were Konya Zara, you know her. He no fit go closer. No fit chain. I back home. I can wear a woman. My brother went day. I can also jab that queer and a guy. It year, that year, if I year. How don't they kiss this man? They will say, lovely, don't touch it, lovely, come and carry my husband. Come and carry. I'm going to be Ambrose, you know, I have done Ambrose, no, there's a bit of carry you. He won't call her, he say, lovely, I say, see me, tell me. He say, won't call her, say, make her not look Ambrose. Ambrose now my bro. Ambrose is my bro. Say me I not carry Ambrose. Hey, if I carry Ambrose for that woman hand, I not gonna know Ambrose again. If I carry Ambrose, say make I help her arrange Ambrose. Before and now, if they carry a corner, they say Monica where Ambrose. Monica, they will say now Ambrose now follow. You go say now Ambrose now follow me sit down so people know whether now Ambrose. Me I know how to repair something well. I know, make the something condemn iron as Ambrose who condemn rich so. Ambrose is now a condemn iron. If Ambrose they work now, all you both they make noise. Don't say now so our brother come if they work out, oh, but you don't get stamina for hand again. If they go, go. If not they hear so kwangolo noise. If they do live video, if Ambrose pass, what I will not say. Now, bro, if Ambrose pass, in network will they seize. Now, so Ambrose can't be. He said, call her, not tell, hey, sister, call her. No, those call her, when that shall call her, because no, not be sister, not be useless, I shall call her. Now, say, I shall call her. Ambrose. Gole, I know, I will say, give me Ambrose now. We won't be shan. We de shame. One binima say, he said, my sister say, he said, that man Aisha say, bro, me I don't know. He said, I am your son, no, je vais nyana. Ave wegenya, or one way, get be no da lege. Now say, he said, Betty, he no understand Ambrose. I say, I don't know. Or when there is nothing, no, ye ma with Ambrose. Or when you know ye ma with Ambrose, see raw. Lovely, come. They say, you know, I'm Ambrose. So, Monica, just go beg you. Carry Ambrose, come give me. One Ambrose, more any near one loin. I will repair. Iki near one loin. Iki near one Ambrose. We are me Ambrose, with our Ambrose. With our Ambrose. The t-shirt is not that you always be. Okay, that boy. The gist when you go there body, you go make boy, you go photo for him. Put better canvas. Even if I don't see money to buy better canvas, or the one when my son they wear me, I go give him. Maybe now the same leg, now they go they use. We go repair him. We go repair him. Carry on, come. We go help you repair him. He goes, but because mommy, you see this place, I say, yeah, do it well. I never see my children. If so today your body will make anything, they go they find out they will tell you. They will carry their go come take repair. Mommy, you see this allergies, you go say, please, mommy, go and buy dye and dye it. The white hair is too much. I say, making shine. Lovely. If they talk, I just say, now play. How they play? Big Ambrose come for me because we are bano. I we are bari. Okay, I do we are bar. If your brother they die, they go. You go they pay your fellow brothers. Come here, come. Ambrose, vai. Ya genya. Nidi go nyere ditiketinya. Udo de as muigoko. Okay, de amuigoko. Work pare amuigoko. Me muigoko. Me bon we me na Ambrose we si gbo vejime dasin me wo si gbo sesi me amu gbo won make fe can relax make mu gbo won ya ke akan ike a jerry live video kwa only me no riwe na you go dey waka up and if because he said my gbo e long he go say this one he don't dey feel highly hello you think said all Ambrose dey feel highly. But we want me na ke gbo menshi. What I lo me town. I hear me if I talk and say lovely can smoke gbo. Don't go carry gbo. Don't go carry gbo. I say, Ambrose, na igbo the worry Ambrose. Okay, me uko. Me I know they smoke igbo. Me what me a wire igbo me a just igbo no seven. Now two this thing now they do chiri. Every no seven but we no seven but memoria. Now chiri this thing. Igbo ye buy cho. You say sometimes if you want demonstrate something. Is it blazer? Blazer mo ye cho be buy cho ije ya cause okire ni kisigbo. Me I will move. Make it well. I will not say I'll take three because I won't make the go low. You go make fear. I'm not let it big bona. Very big man. Come make a rapid go for you. I'll carry two this blazers. Be I show blazers actually mina trouser. I will come buy blazers for them. The blazers where you go wear and you go turn and you go come pull low this thing. Make I help you. Baffan bros. Ah, bro, see what kid che wadore. I have lovely, come. I can't. You go sleep on my bed. Then if you wake up, you go say, oh, I didn't am your Ambrose never enjoy husband and wife home. Ejere seke. Or I know what you bed your seke. Or I joy palo seke. They'll say lovely cause he palo lovely. Beg. That one now city room. City room where be say pass make I pass. All the time that they do like this. Every day. For his house. I must see all the time. I must see all the time like this. If the children want pass, go. If the children want to pass like this, all tight. Yeah. Ida you me you are one wogo. Vane me mui amblosire. Ambrosi do via ba. No more. Fambrosi wake up, you can't see that face. His face go come me boko. You go come fine. Abros give me backbook. Now so Abros come. If you put hand for year, see, if you put hand for year, you don't see my own night deep go inside. Abros so know the deep go inside. If you don't put hand, you the next thing na teeth. But you lovely, but I lovely. Now look Abros. Carry on come. Monica, they tell you nothing. Carry on Abros come. Make I help you baffan. I know touch the cassava. I know touch the cassava. Because now my bro, I don't say now my bro, I know touch the cassava. But I will help and wash the cassava, but I no go touch am. Washing and touching is not the same. Only to know the own ni, iki no via bag bon. Iki bon like your journey to na je. Ika journey to na je. Only to ki je. 3 months. We are going Monica. Call. I say, see your husband. You say, barrister, how you do this man? Wait till you wish food you give this man. Abros ile bad hold nye na. Abros all they chop food when woman cook na. Now so food when you cook. Which food do you want cook when you want eat? Okpa to ball nye pai fu. Okpa to ball on nye pai. Who say no na? Who say okpa to ball nye pai? All okpa ye to boy. Or ye to okay to ball on nye pai. Man when they cook by himself. If he cook and finish at his age, he go still serve himself, he go still eat. At his age, they're supposed to serve food. Who want to serve breakfast? Eni va dali bisi le. Everyone read that area. If I am busy deveki. These people chop beans, chop. People when they die, they don't call they see beans. They buy for markets. Lovely now. Now any how dick. Ekwe de wa womu. Ekwe ne bitwa. Ekwe no watching kwe. So far just carry the prick. Give them woto. We wa money kwe that bare. Ekwe kugo. Ekwe de wa kwe mu. Lovely, do not look Ambrose, remove her for Ambrose. This is the second time now. When I tell say make you carry Ambrose come, make I help you. Madam, I will iron character. Now we are asking they may nyaka. I know fi me nyaka for where they may a bow be. No your one cash go because me, I come the way when I take come, so I tell you what me a bow big your judge Monica usually. I will repair him. Look the life. Just come on, Range Rover will be say Ambrose mate the buyer for Europe. Ambrose mate the buyer. Why black people not just want make that they buy that car? Not be say they not go feed they pay. They go feed they pay. Because most of them, they do something for house. I should understand. How much you they pay? If not the small one, you go the small one when you go carry. Pata, if you do pay, you go be 300 or something, get it to 400 every month. If not the big one, now you want carry 5 something. Depends. They will still look your income. Say you really need it, they will look your income. Also, they pay also amount like this. When it can't be say, on a go de use Ambrose. Ambrose go de follow na can't use less in life. You can't de inside igbiagia. Ola ri ka agbile. Ola ikbane ri ka agbile ri eje o. They can never make it. Ikbane ri ka agbile. Me call Agbile go. One set of Agbile go. They go come. They go see stay there. Now then they welcome new Agbile. Igbeagia. Iya welcome new Igbeagia. You cannot tell me say if Ambrose true stand as a man. You cannot tell me say Ambrose say he no go fit buy car. How much be new car to they pay every month? So new car the way they pay 250 euro every month. The big pass Range Rover. Then a Range Rover na dear pass where we talk if they talk about biggest car. Ambrose go fit pay Range Rover. I will say Ambrose was working. And when they say Ambrose go school, I know Ambrose not be like person where he go school. I know say some men then when he go school, their brain go come turn, they go come useless. But I don't know. If he's useless, he not go just see meet woman when he's useless. The woman will be okay. The people call the house and say, why your husband they behave like this? They will say, I break tone. Not be like this, they behave before. You see it? The man, Herrera bros he turn. The same time, the wife break don't still turn the same time. The what of the children? I can mount people. People when they say, na me. I know they take advice for anybody. Anybody when you know they take advice for person, you know they ever better for life because you need advice from people. You need advice from people. Let it be 500 euro where Ambrose no go pay every month for Range Rover. I will say Ambrose the true work. Wetin be that 500 euro when Ambrose no go fit pay? Like my first daughter now, she said she want go carry Range Rover. She go fit carry. Because she dey no be this one not be occupation now. Don't say don't take when she don't build this her company up by herself. She receive 3,000 plus. Sometimes if you do more hour, they receive 4,000. If my daughter says she want go carry Range Rover, she go fit carry Range Rover. One, she get money when she go put down. As my daughter did, so she said she want buy house now. She go fit buy house because she get money when she go put down. All na working that worry me na regben be. good money. We were no. Where are English no? They use English to the right time. Write with English. Okay. Inside that money when my daughter they receive now. My daughter say one go carry, they'll just bring her call. Now the page this they will carry come. They see how much she works. They go carry. If not the small one want carry, go say yes, you won't carry the small one. If not the big one want carry, go say yes, you won't carry the big one. Always they'll say no, the car is too big for you. How old are you? You'll say you want to go. Okay, it's your money. You work. You work. At this time, my daughter can put that Range Rover. When they shout Range Rover. If the Range Rover say now 40,000 euro, my daughter can pay half of that money. You go pay her cash. Then the remaining half, the remaining 20,000, you go they pay small. Because if they work, they earn good job. They earn good job. Did you see it? If I wish Ambrose earn, he earn good job. Say he get good job, they earn better money, like 4,000 euro, like 5,000 euro. People when they buy that Jeep, not be money they too get. Don't be say they're too rich. Now work where they work, they fit show work. You can take it. You can take that Jeep. If you call the door sometimes, I don't know whether now people when they Nigeria, now you they bring all those things come for, or now people when they abroad. We don't spend almost how many decades for Europe. We see this thing as a child's play. This is just child's play. You cannot just bring a car up now and say, hey, lovely, come and say, I buy new car, Say, wow, are you kidding? Are you kidding? Look at this car you carry now. See this car, you don't see the way it be. This one don't come out when it don't come out for this thing. This is demolished, the demolition. Ambrose can afford that car. Just be say Ambrose, you know they work. Now it costs her. And we say Ambrose, they work. Ambrose, all those things. Ambrose can buy a house. And we say if they work, he can buy a house. Even people where they receive 1,300, then they buy house. Every month, 1,300, they buy house. Bank will go help them. They'll carry the loan for bank. Bank will help them pay. Then bank will they collect the money every month. That is how people buy house here in abroad. That is it. Look at the place you were living here in Holland. Very dirty. When they see you, they'll ask say the government when they take care of these people. Now, say government, they take care of you. You become a single mother. From marriage, you divorce. Then you become a single mother. Yes, I have phone number. Why? Do you want to call in? Make I check on my phone number for them. But it did downstairs. May I go bring her come? Sometimes, if those people they talk sometimes, I just they look them. It's like, are we still there inside illiterate for this 20-something century? Are we still living with delinquents? The number is there. You want call? Okay, let me go and bring it. Well, that who waiting on Serena, I don't move here with Facebook. Take your lovely when they do video, you don't wear pants. I wear pants too. I don't feel sleep without no pants. I'm not doing how to work for me. I work for now. You know, that's it. Something will be say person go fit do. I will say the person dey normal. If you not come dey talk, you go come be like say, it no make sense. I will say, I don't carry the phone come. I will say, this person they do well. All those things when I count, the house or the cow, bros can buy it. Go they pay small. Now so people there. Now so you both they carry this thing, mortgage. You know, it's not a new thing. Any new thing about you go fit buy and just say, oh, it can't be like say, it frustrates and causes there around them. Causes there around them. That is it. This is church play. All this she's doing is church play. Before tomorrow now, when I know see this guy again. Or maybe waiting to do that, you say, lovely. See where the card they say, lovely, say make another not the two stay for fake life again. You can see correct yourself for there. Wait it be car. People they buy cars. So you both they when they carry big car safe. They not get money. You don't know. You cannot find my phone number. Why? For WhatsApp. Find out. They go they WhatsApp. Oh. Huh? Why not if you find out? They WhatsApp. You know? Do things when your hand go reach. And forget all those nyama jagbajastic this thing, they fool yourself tomorrow. And all those things when you they do, it's like you they use until they like say you go they depress your children. You they why? But people they use and call me now. Check again. First put on for your phone direct. If you put on for your phone direct, then sometimes people will say no go. You put on for your phone direct, then you just say lovely Facebook talkative. Just use and store the name. Then you just go your WhatsApp, reach there, tap on lovely Facebook talkative. It will appear. Now so I think they do it sometimes. I don't know why. Where you can find the number? The number there, yes. See for my live stream. I put on for there. Mama Facebook. See, it is there. It's on my live video. This thing there. This video when I they do now, I put on. See, I put on. I stick and put for there. It's there. It there. Can't you see it? The phone number is there. Where did they do this phone? Yeah, it's on sticker there. That's my phone number. I stick it there. You know? Okay, I think say you they find out for WhatsApp. You know, say sometimes some will say that they find out you talk more. God bless you. God bless you too. You know, that's it. All those things that she's doing is irrelevant. The time she's using to do this thing, let her look for good something to do. This is irrelevant. She put her energy in this particular place. At the end of the day, this good thing is not coming out. Not by going there, showing it, do this one, show, buy bicycle, show, and do this one, show, and that one, show. Do things that will please you. Don't do things that will please people. If you want to continue to be doing things that will please people, that means you go just go, ooh, yeah, hoa. Because people don't satisfy. People don't satisfy, just like a party. When somebody do party now, people will praise that party. Some people will still go there saying, I bet that one a party. You don't see party when this person do that time. You know how many, see party when Kobe Kobana do that time. You don't know how many cow Kobe Kobana kid that time. The cow when Kobe Kobana kid that time, when they snort, when they do suja. At that moment, that meat not sweet. If you are really they find the taste of suya, that cow was not prepared well. Because people when they prepare suya, yeah, outside when they prepare suya, if you want to eat better suya, outside will tell you say this suya you know they prepare on since yesterday. I should understand. You know what? You want to do something that will please Ewohoho. You cannot do something that will please Ewohoho. Ewohoho is like when you cook for Ewohoho, there is no way they can be satisfied. when you cook for crowd, you can never satisfy crowd. More you think that you they sacrifice a crowd, more order will be coming. You want to satisfy crowd? Are you kidding? And even the crowd that you want to satisfy, if they cook food and give it to you to chop, you go kill yourself. There are things in this life. I don't know why she's behaving like this. Everybody knows, say, you be nothing. You no get nothing they function for your area. Everything we do your area. Now fake life, fake life, fake life. Hello. Good morning. How was your night? Nai. Now my own. You want to contribute? Okay. May I put her for speaker?
Okay. You don't lock for grant. This buy everything cash, so house cash. Buy cap cash. Now we buy another car again cash. We will not see what they do. We will not see what your husband they do. Now wow, this one you get as a bill. You get as a bill. You know they okay. You know, and not be saying I be hater, I not hater. But what should they do? They make people not they like her. You know why? You know if we comment for her platform, maybe go free. You understand? Even though say you know cause her, you know if we go free. All the people when they follow her, me I don't already offend her because me, I know say all life video presenter. Me and they follow all of them. If I don't watch this one today, I'll watch this one tomorrow. If the day when we say you will do something, and when you go wrong, if I comment, say, this is what they do, you're not supposed to do it. You just start to they fire people, they fire me, they fire people, they curse. You know, good like that. But not every day you say they do it, they please people. Sure, you understand?
Yeah.
You let person comment the comment, you let her go. Because that person will sit there for you. You understand? So, you get one day, I comment for her platform. That one don't make me not offend her. I comment my platform because they say, no, they cause Cora. Why do they cause Cora? What is Cora doing? This is that. Now I come to say, but all of Nana, they do the same thing. You, they do the same thing when they do. You don't have right to accuse her and say why should they do them. When they say now they do people, now you even they do a pass. You understand? It's like you probably want to cause her or you want to cause problem. Now all the caller comes bring my picture, come and begin the Lakers on their head, not be me. Now say the truth is bitter. Now what thing you they do that one they do. Now market Facebook be now. They trade. You know me say this one they trade the same trade when the same things when they do. We will come the verse they do like say now you good pass. When you know say now you bad pass from the beginning to the end. You know where for good. That one even they control our mouth, they control what she they talk. But you if you want cause person, you don't go remove anything for that person. You will cause and reach the end. You understand? So now that one now I just contribute say this thing when I see say this one enable command since when better command all of them begin to command one. After better we busy go command. We busy go command this one command and friend all of the first command you know. But he go the gather people. What do they gather people for?
No, so no.
You know you don't stand on your own down they gather. What did they gather? What did they fight? Now war?
Ask me. You know, my sister, you know, you get one lady when he did this thing in France. I think Mama Osato. Now, so that one still talk, come and say he give her money. Maybe that one by mistake just, you know, say sometimes if you send money, go give person. you fit just by mistake enter this thing every month, the money go dey enter the person account, just like the way we pay bill every month, it go dey enter the person account. Maybe now wetin happen with that woman, this thing. You know, see the way it saga that Mama Osato. And that Mama Osato.
That thing happened to me too.
Okay.
Before, when I knew start to they follow them, you know, I they followed them with Lolo, both you, the time when you and the other woman sit there. I they follow now. You remember me? Maybe you know. You remember that name? It don't take. Later you can't stop. You don't call it again. I don't phone call you many times before. You understand?
Yeah.
The time when you are day one and day together, the problem is say when I just give a star, I then give people star for Facebook. But later, you know, say I need to run go bank. May they block my card. May they break them.
Okay.
Because if I don't give person star, before you know anything, go, come they collect. I be person, if I buy star, I first start to wash you every time, I will just give you 50 star. I don't will give you like that, boom. You understand? I'm only letting you buy the star now, no paper. I will give 50 star, 50 star, so that make the talk, they, you know, make the things they know, say I see they contribute something. Before you know it, the next day, they don't collect -€6. Before you know it, they -€4. They say, go something. And they think they come from Facebook. Before you know it, the minus. Now say, what did I buy? I buy star, my star never finish. Why they come put her like, say, nah, by force payment? Now me go buy my star. If my star finish, now me go need to buy it by myself. Why they come enter my account before they withdraw my money? If I lie, what I they talk so?
No, swear.
I don't talk comments. I return my cost. I don't talk comment because I don't want anything that will bring argument. I first say I get solution. I first say no bit money way big. Now €6, €5, all those stuff. Now I just go bank because if the thing can continue. Now I go bank, now I tell bank say I need to break the card, make a blocker. They need to give me another card.
Yeah.
And if they give me another card, this card will go direct to my account. I should not use it online again, no matter what. I should not use it online. They can't give me another card when they say, I think they put €10. Use that online.
Yeah.
If that thing will finish, I will still put another one. That's why I call it. Another one they can't give me. That's what I call they do because the one when they go account direct, they will fit withdraw something. I don't know the thing they do.
Now Facebook now so.
So now this woman now is just visiting platform just now. Your old friend.
No, not be my friend though. That one.
Okay, your friend. I visit her because of the comment where I all right. He shout. Now till I say, madam, before, he say, he just throw man they give Lolo. He say, Lolo, if they buy shoe cash, if they buy this one, cannot say, He say, no be to come up on Facebook, they brag. Now, but now they brag, they say, make your friend, mama no brag, now you they cry. Me, I don't understand though, for this Facebook, I don't know what they want to.
Now, so
they
now.
They don't talk through, they'll close their mouth. Let me come tell and say, sure you be buy car before cash when everybody come celebrate with you. Where the car?
Okay.
You drive tomorrow, you drive next tomorrow. We'll not be see the car again.
Okay.
What's happen? Let's say why they ask about car inside the car. Boss they there. What that mean na car be the rich. Now I say, what make you go buy the car before?
You know, say na rich pass. Now I get money pass for all the whole video presenter.
He say na husband na buy the car for her. But that time, me I know hear say it also na husband buy the car for her.
Okay, which one? The one went there here before.
I went there well. No, don't be. Don't you know?
Okay, they na wish. You don't believe that they don't wish. I be me I carry the then I wish come out. Wait, me I carry and come out. That useless old fool. And the then I wish you say do something back. Since I know say the then I wish you say do something back. Oh, that woman no get 50 by 50. You know, guys, you know say family now. But they'll say Papa die leave this 100 by 50. We will share am by
before
70.
you buy car, you bring car call celebrate am, yes or no?
Is it 2 years ago when you got the shady key? Nakabu kabu. Are you not there when I used to attend to live video say nakabu kabu key? Nakabu kabu. Nakabu kabu when can I come? Nakabu kabu. And then I wish you get. Why she not right? Why should you see and see car?
No, let me put the offer now. He said, no, they fight. That one when they that I commented. He said, no, they fight and say he buy house cash, he buy car cash. It's considered another one. Whether he consign her, she they bring shoe come and cash when she buy. Whether he consign her, now I say, but she still buy one car cash that time. We not see the car again. What will happen? Now I say, no, what will happen? I mean, you know, to driving license. What will happen? He said she sell her. Now husband I buy the car for her. He said, not to brag for Facebook, but you carry that car come on the brag. I don't understand.
My sister, see the useless woman place where she dey sleep for Nigeria. You see where she dey sleep? Person when come for abroad. Then you reduce them.
They call you so.
Okay. Maybe if you finish, if you know gist, if you finish, you'll go look am. See where she dey sleep. Now her luggage when carry go Nigeria. Now they that corner. So the bag when they work for Euro for Fabrica. Now they on top of the luggage. So good morning.
I don't see.
Now this body they sleep. Oh, when he reach Nigeria, she spent almost 3 weeks. They not wash this bed spread.
I go to follow people when they dance.
Breeze the enter your DC. They make crook.
You say this is what we do. Now fan. You go to follow people. That woman agrees to go that is doing like the way you just talk. You know say you go remember me. You go remember me now. You know say I call you one time. I go to beg you and now say me no quarrel again. You remember me? Don't say.
Yeah, I don't tell 4 years ago.
I go beg you, say Mona no quarrel again. Mona said to say I like na too. This is that. Now come really no say she bad person. No fit stay on her own. As you don't come up for where Lolo day, just you go enter another thing. Before when they with Lolo, one do that something see the watch and now. People want to watch and I know about 2025.
My view, even see I pass you. She went they cut video like Akara.
Even they call late, you go enter inside board, you go daylight, you go they wash person yash, you go daylight, you go they come back, you go daylight, you go do night.
She frustrated though. This one I useless witch. Three weeks. Now she tasted for this bed. Person one person tell me say, mama, why be say for Kwaka reach Nigeria 3 days she don't demolish. I tell her say she lack of AC, she lack good compound, she lack good parlor, she lack good this thing. For Nigeria say, you want go Nigeria as a woman when you don't take for Europe, you have to get one apartment, beautiful one, AC go there inside. She go carry cloth. Now so she take the dry flight for village like this.
Even for Nigeria now, when we go Nigeria that day with my children, what did I just do? As I just read there, go. Everything. First, when I just read there, now deep freeze I felt just die because I don't want lack of cold water. I use generator. I don't use too much generator. I know the generator they make noise. I just put solar.
Okay.
Solar now not the deal.
Okay.
If you get 200,000 naira, now money now 90 something. You don't come. If you put solar for house, they'll give you fan, they'll give you television, they'll give you this one. So no time when lights no day. For her cream when she they use, as they go Nigeria, it's supposed to prepare herself. As you want come out for sun, you will use your sun cream. Person now this one be different for person when they bleach and person when not they bleach. Anybody when they bleach, if you go Nigeria, you know they come back the same.
You know why, be like, no, you know why? Because she no get AC. When she come for inside heat, she still enter heat. You know, see, she did Nigeria, you know, they see go there inside city room. And not be she get that house, or now person get that house. She go bring icon like this, like pussy cat. She know the fit buy common benzina for generator. She just dey inside darkness. She say, lovely, may I come, maybe with her come they do competition. I say, I don't feel follow you do this kind of dirty competition. Me, say I reach Nigeria, now this kind of place I want sleep.
You can't dey darkness. When solar be dead of 500,000.
When I get big auntie, brothers, when they want come greet me, they where I want come put them for inside dirty. This one when they sleep for rest house. Rest house, if they see they follow mama, they sleep. Person we don't spend years for abroad. Her mama, they sleep rest house. She they talk.
When she dey do.
She can use people so to tell show. Hey, just tell her now, give her this thing now. Before you know now, she can say, me what look me donna. I buy this one.
Who built one house for Benin?
She not build house. That day they say she they cry, they go for street. Say I mock and say now people how she go they sleep. Say now true to say she want go buy land now. I call tell her and say make she go do her eye. To do that eye up to 4,000 euro. You can't say no. She want to. And that this thing when come one day here, that eye bag. You can't say she want use the 3,000 euro go take buy land. Now tell her say there is no need, no buying because you know if you build house. You know if you build house. Just go remove the second one day yeah before she go blind.
Yeah, you are right because house not be reminding her again, eh?
Yeah. You know got house. Smelty don't dare now. Smelty now 5 plus now. She go feed buy her. She go this woman feed roof house.
Even this still they call them someone they bring the boy now don't pass 1 million plus.
Now so now. It don't pass now.
Even to build that person when don't read this kind, you don't need to build that because anything when they the house, not be my man.
You know if you runamo, you know if you run house, you know if you run to even roof house safe, to roof house. If you know how to put something, to just put wood though, never put a tight floor, just put this thing, only wood. You depends of if not too flat. Say you want to make it high, you know say high this thing and you go high. If 2.something million, only the wood they low before you can complete, I can't do everything. 2.something. Yeah, this thing when you want put to never do. Roofing never day.
Not even sometimes we see the talk of the money, yes. The headache when they follow has issue. If you give person high blood pressure, intention with the high. Because the one that go collect money when you not do work finish, you know see him again.
No, she won't build her. She say, hey, lovely, Darukbe Beaudugwa, lovely Darukbe Beaudugwa. Say, see this one. I know everything about house. House.
Not be waiting person.
Not be waiting person they build.
No, house no. Anybody tell me now say my builders. If you know better, I know build the why builders. When they say person don't they don't need money to they eat spaghetti for here.
No, you'll still use them, but because if you don't the old now, if you now you know say now Nigeria now you can't they stay past now. You know
yeah, Mama Lovely, all this is where when they talk, we don't hear our things. People say they'll go old, you know, in Nigeria, they'll reach the old. Go Nigeria, they're not agree go.
No. People when if they abroad that time, when be say they get house. Comfortable house.
Many people come back home. You know, people come back. They tell you say they come back.
No, they know they come back, can't stay. They will still stay small. They'll still go. Now the one when they don't get house, when they don't get better house, now them they see the also.
People, me, I get house, but me, I don't even plan to sell that house. You know why?
I better not sell them more. Why you go sell them? No advice you make sell them.
Lovely, make I tell you why. You don't say me, I be last born now. I don't get Papa get mama. If you get Papa get mama for that place, you go see they motivate you to they go. Sure you know. Once you know.
But you get brothers and sisters now.
I get brother, I get sister, and my brother son don't see like don't see like, and the one will be say they don't see advance. You understand? Person they pray. Me, I will not sell my house because why? You go even go for here. You go say you shouldn't meet the go Nigeria. Nobody will go.
Now you they look at like that. You get where you go reach, Europe children they go house. So Europe children they go house, Then they go house. You know they look TikTok.
Me, I prefer if person in money every day. If money every day, person they work. he prefer me person buy house here. No be lie, they tell you. No be lie. To go Nigeria,
Now so now the one where you still buy for here, you still get where your children go still grow rich. That house where you buy for here, your children not go still live for there. They go sell her. You don't see many Oyibo. You don't see many Oyibo when they go buy house.
Yeah. Nigeria, you know they see what happen in Nigeria. Even for that, those states, but I know they get happiness to go. See water, poto.
Now, state governor, now, spoiler now. The time where. Sister caller, another caller, they come in, make I pick it call. Thank you very much. No mind the day now which now you even try say where they go you walk. She got what she they talk. She know they talk now.
I don't go there. As they cause you know say me, I know they like intimidation. I dey find Asaboro. You know where Asaboro dey? Asaboro will be they follow each other for my page. I don't see Asaboro again.
You say no want to they do live video again. Maybe you don't lock the Facebook.
He lock her. I don't know what that person will give me contact. I want contact her. Because that time when she they follow
call a party.
Because that time when she they follow I go better they fight. I still come and fight for Asaboro. You understand me? I fight for her. Later, if they follow my prayer, they follow her. I'm not going to see her again.
Yeah, if you want to see her, call a party get her number. Thank you very much.
Okay, now take
bye.
care.
Yeah,
Bye.
take care of yourself too. I don't know what they do this my phone. Who be they call? Now direct it they call. Person be they call me just now. Now direct the person they call. Now what's up with this one? I want to see what's up over here now. Okay. Who they call me just now? I don't they busy. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sister. How you doing?
Good morning. I hear what that lady they talk. When I be want ask, I want ask question.
May I put her for speaker?
Yes.
Okay. The speaker. He?
Ask. You dey hear me?
I will now they give her volume small.
Okay. Just a minute. Is it better now? My own question when I want ask because Naisha maybe I never hear that name since I was born. I never hear that name Ajala for Isha. I don't know what it mean. I understand say Ambrose Mama na Isha, but my question is where the father from come? Because normally children they go their father's side now. If for example say somebody marry, let's assume say Isha marry Bini and the man are Isha, automatically the children are Isha. If their father na Bini, automatically the children are Bini. If now, for example, say Yoruba marry any tribe, let's assume say their father na Yoruba, the children go be Yoruba because na father side, na children they go. So now we understand say now Ambrose Mama na Isha. We know they argue that part say na Isha. But my question now where the father from come? And I never ever hear anything Ajala. So lovely you be Isha now. So maybe you two get idea what it mean. Because for me, I don't try to find out Ajala.
I don't know. I know sister see they talk on. I don't know Ajala. Ajala now you cut cotton. Or Ajala Janemiya.
But only Ajala. So if you find that
Ajala for Isha, Ajala that they cotton. Ajala. Now be Isha. If that word remain, it resemble Ishan language. Ajala.
Put the spelling of their own for Google. It shows say na Yoruba name.
Okay, now Yoruba name.
Now what I see for Google, so I don't know if me I did right because I never ever hear sis Nerekia, but you don't ever hear who they bear that name for Isha.
I never hear for Isha, like I never hear.
So now make me they ask if they call Ambrose Isha. Children they do go their papa side, not their mama side. So that we know where papa from come. So now where papa from come, now he be not be Isha.
That means that this man not be Shama.
Not be Isha. The mama na Isha na true. But the himself not be Isha. Now papa side he need to do go.
Ajala. I never hear Ajala.
It's why they waka. Since I was born, I never hear for Isha. Say person the answer Ajala. I never ever hear. So me, I know say you two still get ideas. So that make me still bring the question. Maybe you don't still hear me. I never hear.
I never hear. No, sister, I never hear that name. I never hear that name.
I never hear too. That make me call. No problem.
That means na Yoruba. Na ain't the man be. The man na Yoruba.
I see I'm saying the Ajalana from Yoruba.
Okay, you go and ask say na Yoruba.
You still to take the name. Enter go check am.
Okay.
If you finish live, you go check am too. You go see and say Ajala. The name is true from Yoruba.
Okay, you see, huh? Eh? If they come they talk now, they'll say no, na come see you na Ishan brother. Eh?
That thing, if you see as that thing, they pay me for body because me was me obvious son of that day abroad. She's not a bien me. He was saying me.
Daniel won no nya sister ko won lege nya o Daniel.
I go me or no Daniel no one like boy or any boy.
Oh, that's
fine. Daniel at least because me was me obvious son ki me wege o khoi ki wo roi ki barek moto. He was saying me. He was say area me wege o Daniel. He was saying me. I told me we go obvious son. Okpia or one leg boy or everybody. I remember going one leg boy. I been a noy belu. It was up or no was what I everyone now.
Me was a one le me one le. Where me not self you know me but ja ye na. Him mama get as he be na. Him mama be like mad woman. What I know ja bo me.
No, one le no.
Picture not in the no for me now. Him mama be that woman. The mama of Ambrose be like mad woman. It's like there is something wrong with that family. Somebody said that name. That name na Muslim name. Answer or Yoruba.
Yes, the Muslim name and it's true from for Yoruba, like all this. That is a very strong name for Yoruba. And if you check the meaning of farm for Yoruba, it means people when they settle war. So if anybody if they go take that name, try to find out where is the name root from and what is the meaning of the name. You will see what it will give you for Google.
Academia Yoruba, no, when I say so Yoruba people, that they useless like this, they all come there like this. They don't do anything, they don't they house, they don't they shout. Ewa.
I even feel they say nobody know where it from come. So I think just mumu there. So nobody feel help him. Maybe if to say maybe Yoruba people know say that a brother and they go still know how they go still help him. Because me, I never ever for my life, I never see shaman when it's stupid like this.
Somebody say it may be a Duro name.
Maybe.
It cannot be because well again or you don't school now. Or let's say not be name when you take go school for year, not be the beer. So because if you say you can't go school for year, you not go fit use a Duro name. You know fits because people when they go university they'll come take master for year. All their old this thing, they go carry come for year. You know, come here, come they cancel one, they put fake name or a Duro name.
I love like go leave you. Those people matter tired.
Sister, I don't know say Jata or where we want. I don't know say about because sister, we be sure no know say that Jata. You know why their word not the let person talk. We have never come and experienced this thing in our life. Since I was born and grew up like this, I have never come across a couple like this.
I know they feel sit down and watch her.
Yeah, she's so naive. She's so delinquent. I don't understand. She's everywhere. You know, sister Akio, when you see somebody, as I see my face now, they know who is here. Like she now, you don't know who be this one. She dey red, she dey green, I don't understand.
That one you see. No below that one. Sometimes if you even say make you just get even 1 minute to listen to her. You no go know where she dey go. You no know where she from dey come. You no go understand what she dey talk. What she dey pronounce your mouth no go correct. He go jump, go here. He go. That is, she don't feel just make one example when he be say
1 point, yeah.
She dey go. You no feel understand. The only thing you go to hear, my people. I know.
She's so. Do you know that somebody? She's so confused. Somebody when they do better thing for life, and she don't need to visit that platform. You will just turn your brain. And if you want to, if you like lie, you enjoy lie, go to that platform. That is the place. If you want laugh sometimes, then they lie well.
No human being when he brain they normal. When he go want to say everything when he want listen and lie. Because the more you listen, the more you damage the brain.
Brain, yeah.
So you know human being when he did with his right senses go one go there. And that's why you see when you see people when they watch her, because all of them they fake accounts, so nobody know. The people when they watch her, they go beat those people when they be said they don't they depressed. One, people when they be said they don't they frustrated, they don't know who go help them. Now them they just imagine the guy when they bring commerce. Look at
the way the guy look like. Look like he goat.
Look at matured man. And look at the story when they follow the man.
And it be like he goat. You don't see the man. When the man make chicken, it be like this.
Now there you go no say people when they follow and people when they are praying not correct.
People when he craze. How can somebody live this thing like that? If you're Osama bin Laden when you get that beard, Osama bin Laden they maintain it clean, fresh.
Which normal human being go sit down, come hold rubber this thing for hand, saying they teach women. Now you want to teach mature woman how you want to deal with your husband.
Somebody say, call her like me, say if not feel watch her for 1 minute.
I don't feel watch her because what is she talk for mad? The only place when I see her now, when for example they cut her video, they cut her half, come play, then I can listen because nobody happy.
Nobody even they cut a video. Have you ever seen a video for any blogger?
Some nonsense when they do some they cut and move.
Me I know they see him.
And they go cut the part of the nonsense. If you even watch that, you go sit down. So what be this one?
Okay, the same person say who knew the guy really can't go school. He not can't go. People when he can't go school for Nigeria, all of them they work for better place for here. Thank you. Yeah, bye. People when can't go school for a year, that they write that they're okay, they're fine. Now Holland is a place. If you put your head down, they will arrange it for you. If you say you they craze, they'll just leave you, make they craze, they go. That's it. I've never come across a human being like this in my life. The second the day I wish now, that one frustrates. Like that one, my sister, that's the first caller. If you reach this the then I wish platform, she not they talk anything. She don't have anything to proceed. She always talk that jabajastic one nyama. Now this the then I wish just the always the talk. Look at somebody that says she has a house in Benin. She has a Okpaka Street in Benin. She has a Okpaka Street in Lagos. She has a Okpaka Street in Isha. She just want to talk. That is madness. And all those cities when she says she has Okpaka Street, she has no land, half land, she no get. Now this woman, I can't frustrate pass. This woman, where they say, this woman, she's a very mature woman. She's a very mature woman. She's so frustrated. Look at the place where she sleep. See the place. See her night back, 9 days there. So that year, 9 days there. So look at the rag. She tie. She rag where she tie. Somebody, so real woman when you go from Nigeria, from Europe go Nigeria. You think they will sleep in this kind of bed? Look at bed when Percy for sleep. See bed when Percy for sleep. Seriously? Are you kidding? See cloth when you type for this. You say, I got a boss of Hollandis. I got boss of Hollandis. I got boss of Hollandis. Lovely. Oh, come see, I got boss of Hollandis. I know say Hollandis they heavy, but if you see they go Nigeria, you'll see whole like 5. Yes, you hold like 5. This woman look at rag. Everything about her is rag. She's so frustrated. She's so dirty. She just like toilet fly. This one a toilet fly where they find where you go they lay a dirty egg put. Look at the kind of people when you come waka come meet. I couldn't bear with this woman. She's so, when you are looking for the most old delinquents on this Facebook, she's the one. The delinquent is not one more. That is what she is. When I see this woman, I say, why is she behaving like this? I quit. I said, no. I don't have to follow this kind of disgrace person. She said she took the disgrace herself. You ask her, why is she fighting? Who is she fighting for? At her age, she get her grown up, her grandchildren. They Nigeria, they chop cockroach with okra together. Because if a cockroach fall put for inside soup that year, if you not look away, it say na crayfish. If you look away, it say na cockroach. Yeah. This kind of people. Somebody when you no get anything, this woman, she no ask and she be old school. Tell her say she can't show old school house. She no get. Tell her make she come. How many years they don't stay for Europe now? Her mate when they come that time, some get 2 house, some get 3 house, some get 4 house, so get 1 house and a land. She no get anything. She say lovely. They say she they cry for street. Say lovely. Tell her say make she go build house. Ja, you don't have the house where you live in the work. We know how that house I take come. That's when they own life for your head. We know how the house take come. Don't come my why did they call life video? They village and they like to stay village. Who not like to stay village? People that love to stay village. Look at one beneath there when you go house. I think it was last month. So the beneath there come shot come out. The beneath there want go in house for city for Benin. Erosion there everywhere. She couldn't go to her house. What did she do? She go house when he built for village. Because she get house for Benin. She get house for village. She go for village house. When you see the house when you get for that village, very beautiful house. If that guy they talk now, I will not say yes. They say, see. The house fine, the compound fine. They not fence the compound, but the way they take do the outside, the way the house stay fine. If that one sit down, I will not say yes. Since you don't feel enjoy city, then he go village, go enjoy village. Like me now, I go say they go village. Now rest hand house, now I will go stay. Am I crazy? The way they do for the Nigeria. I know your kukuma stay for abroad. She's everywhere. Lunatic. Facebook delinquents. Adult fool. Notorious bagger. No gbowo mwa o. Oh, never obvious sound. This one don't still be just like Ambrosa Jala. As they say, people when they call in, that this one, no, everybody and condemn. Now they these people area. Yeah, you forgot. My mama na Bini, my papa na Isha. I never go Isha. I don't know Isha. I don't know where my papa for come. Are you serious? From Isha to Bini, just 45 minutes. 45 minutes, you don't know where your papa for come for Isha land. You don't know where your papa for come for Isha land. You don't know. From Bini, see Bini. I go ye a machine, ye Bini. Machine. From Isha to Bini with machine. Even the other day, say, na bicycle, now they take they go from Isha to Bini bicycle. In a way, yo, and I am moto. In a way, yo, where yo, ne yan dweki. They say some will say they spent 3 days for road. They see, see, how can somebody will say, my mama na omi Bini, my papa na omi san, me na dog one revi do, me mama na rezesan, me mama, where was you be? Obi do me wahi, era me obi san, ye na obi do, me ma hen o tifia. The real Bini with Isha when they marry. That they go house for Christmas, the man go carry a wife and family go house. If now the woman marry Benin man, the woman will tell your husband say, "Me will still go do Christmas with the family." They will still do that. They say, "Ilo don't come, Ilo don't come, why Ilo don't come, why Ilo don't come." Those are the people when they Facebook. They not get what this woman called the shout. She won't chest me. I thought, say, you go fit chest me. Eh? You go fit chest me. How much they own for your econ when they run pardon? Now this woman, she still they work. She still work instead of her to use her money where she they give people make they come they insult me. No worry, dog who me lovely, me go dog who me lovely. I cannot give person shishi make come help me to insult you. No, I don't waste my money for nonsense. She no make can I. The first caller they told just now say she carry car fake. And the day when they do fake life. This one not even do fake life. This one they stupid. They win now. Or nice. If this one na dirty to fake life. Okay, hey, the day we fake life here. The day we turn over. The day they do fake life. She carry key come. See, I buy car. Go reach today. Can't reach today. I want me motto. If this woman go Nigeria to buy car for Nigeria, you'll still see car buy 3 million, 2 point something. You'll see right down. Now machine they carry they go when they go native doctor to native doctor. Azak Mazen. When they see go native doctor. The one way they do for night, you know they work. Now native doctor, now one can't work for you. But they don't go on more. Useless woman. Irrelevant old winch. Failure. No, lovely. I need to pay me marry. I go say, me I'm not the great show person. Wetin I dey do? Why will I show you what I'm doing? Why do you expect me to show you the soft that I'm made on? Are you serious? You this irrelevant old fool. Your children, your grandchildren, they in Nigeria. Go and bring them. Make they come greet you for holiday. No. Your daughter I did for there. 50 euros. Now they go send, go give them. Every month. He said they say 50 euros. Go they give your daughter 50 euros. Fool. Old fool. Maybe for me I live now. Maybe later the day I feel come and come do tada. Your dog be pakeke ni gbe ni pakeke ni orojere we so they will be laugh say this woman don't see carry go come out. One love everybody. See you guys. And Ambrose, whether they I want to do now vibe okay san. Mikbea edinya behave. I want me okay san no dinya behave. E yo they lie say you can't go school for abroad. I don't see you see school. I don't see you see anything. It's just useless. It's just useless. In the middle of the midnight, Monica go they do live video. This man go they warm food. I say seriously. 12. I think how many days ago? Almost 12 o'clock. A bit to 1. Me I not lie. Rather kind 12 o'clock. Like say to 12 o'clock, something like that. This man can still the chop. I say see I'm failure. You don't feel work. They'll say they smoke igbo. Igbo no si no. Which igbo? But I will say, I don't know if I can put it on Facebook, if they will allow. So you say there is some things when they this thing. If they watch them for television, you know if you put them for Facebook, cause now their program. Come see people come see guys when they smoke igbo. Igbo they hungry you. Oh my God. They go sit down. They will arrange igbo for this thing. They did this country, that they use spoon till they take igbo for this thing. With different hot drink go dead there. Chips go dead there. Everything they will just they laugh. See guys. You can now see igbo. I don't know bro say. On bro say I can see yourself for bon on the street. A bon clamé. Bon clamé. You gotta see this study pa boy ya man. Oh. Moi bro si jime. Ni ne kola. Ayo we asisa doctor. Obiaha. Ono mona we ko gbelo okay be. Mine agbelo go mama they take care of her. You say yeah, well this pikin, you know they take care of this pikin well. Give me this pikin. And the day go carry the pikin go house, you go cleaner. The day when mama will come to them, mama will say, Mama, say this pikin fire. You say, hey, you know they take your fire. When mama will say, come on, go. You say, no, mommy, I'm not following you home. No. I like mama place like this. I want to stay with the grandma. Ambrosi, I don't understand. Ambrose no get close. Ambrose no get anything. Only Tony, we won't go ne Tony. I be on Tony. Only red. Now that one, they draw in blood for cover. It was it was fist on it. It was they need tapoid around. It was they need show around. Now that drip, anyone else, even Monica, where shall Ambrose na Yoruba man? If you like, killer. If you like, make una draw your blood. Any year you in Obono Ambrose even na, or that, I don't understand. I don't understand. How? Oh no, your Monica no the cannot so go that kuba. I don't understand. She go wear waist trainer. Waist trainer will be like they use a rope to tie back. Go gap, puff. See Anna. Emina see we basically are in Boris talking here. Oh, where I get money. If not be say you are so stupid. I don't know, this woman not get brain again. But my people, now bye-bye.